Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz651 Models, and on the workbench today I have this Eduard Scale Plastic Kits Catalogue from 2013. If you've never been on this channel before, let me explain. Basically, I go through my stash of vintage and new catalogues and I film them page by page so that people can enjoy them as much as I do, especially if you're a collector. But inside here is a treasure trove of the model kits that a particular brand or manufacturer have been producing back in the day. So this one here obviously is the Eduard version, and in here are some really nice kits. I filmed them page by page, and if you want to see them in the best quality, I suggest you go to the cog, click settings, click quality and select 1080p. If you think I'm turning the pages too quickly, you can just go to the cog, click playback speed, and you can slow the video down by selecting 0.5 or 0.25. Only 10% of the people who watch the videos on this channel are subscribers, and I really ask your help. If you would, just please click subscribe. And if you want to be notified every time I release a new video, on the bell, click it and select all. And remember, to subscribe to this channel is completely free. So anyway, let's get to it. This is the Eduard Scale Plastic Kits Catalogue 2013. Enjoy. Go. This was a really good catalogue. There's quite a nice number of kits in here. I'm not going to go through each one by one because you've seen them already as we've done the page by page. As you can see here, this was bought from the Sprue Model Centre for £3.50 all those years ago. How, you know, they haven't really changed really, have they? Price wise, you know, they're about £8-9 now for catalogues. But yeah, so it goes through how they've set up their models. They have the Profi Pack, which comes with, it's a complete kit, and it probably comes with a deco sheet, which has about 4 to 5 different markings with them. And they come with a little bit of photo etch, and they come with masks. And you can see they've really pushed the boat out here with the The way they do the glass, it's quite good. But, you know, have a look. They cover the 1:48 scale, 1:72 and 1:44. So, yes, it's a really, really good kit. The weekend edition, that is basically everything inside, but it has a, you know, couple of marking schemes, like 1 or 2 marking schemes, but it always comes with a complete kit. Eduard limited edition, they are Eduard kits, but they're also other manufacturers, and they basically fill it full of photo etch, masks, large decal sheets, and other things like resin parts and stuff. And it says here that the limited edition kits are not included in this catalogue, unfortunately. That's fine. The Super 44 is the brand new edition of Eduard 1:144 scale kits, and they contain a decal sheet, at least 4 marking options, but there's no other thing like photo etch. But they're for the smaller build, and they're, you know, and you can upgrade them, obviously. The Royal class is everything and anything. They probably come with 2 models inside. If you get these, they are expensive, but they're not, because they're full of everything that you need to either build 1 or 2 models. There's like 10 marking sections, so 10 markings, I get it right, mate. 10 marking schemes for each kit. Comes with photo etch, masks, and it comes also with a little booklet. But yeah, you know, they contain 2 kits, so they are a good look at. The 1:48 scales here, Albatross, they've got the Profi pack, they've got the weekend. Then they've got the figures, their display, 1:32, 1:72, and 1:144. And then they have a list of people who they've used for their pictures. You can use, it's amazing that back in the day, they had QR codes back in 2013, you know. So yeah, so you're quickly going on through, you can see there's some lovely pictures here, a lot of box art here. Going through, you know, the 2012 release of the F6 F3 Night Fighter. Apparently it's a phenomenal build. If you see it, buy it. It's really worth doing in 1:72 scale. And moving on through, they've got the Hellcat here, Mark II, 1:72 scale. That's you know, the way it's all done is fantastic. Quite a lot of the Eastern European and the Russian sort here. You've got your MiG-15, you've got your Albatross there. Moving on through, you've got your Fokker D7 in 1:48 scale. You know, there's quite a few kits in here you're going to enjoy. There you go. There's the is it Pfalz D3A. There's the Sopwith Camel. Apparently that's a really good kit to build as well. So you've got quite a few in here if you want to build them. Moving on through, basically that's where you get to the end, and these are the petite scale, which is your 1:144 scale. And yeah, you know, if you want to build a nice little Spitfire Mark 9E, that one there is quite nice. 2012 release. See, also available Edin, Brassin, which is photo etch and resin parts. That's basically what that is. And we're pretty much done. Tells you on the back here, there's photo etch accessories you can buy. There's painting masks. That's the brazing, which is detailed quality resin and complemented etch metal parts with as needed decals and mask, utilizing the most modern technology. And there you go. That is basically the Eduard 2013 catalogue. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell, and to be notified on any new videos. And to remember that to subscribe to this channel is free, and it also helps it out. Any questions, any comments? If you've built some of these models, if there's a model you didn't like, what really excites you about Eduard in 2021? Because now they're bringing out even more kits. Just leave a comment below and I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.